Howdy y'all, I found another Sony Psych item recently. It's a DEJ100 CD Walkman. I already had one of these, but I didn't have it in this colorway, so now I'm up to 3 items in this line. I use this one as actually my primary Discman and sometimes my primary CD player, so getting another one is actually pretty nice. Although I haven't been able to power it on yet, and that's because, well, yeah, unfortunately this one had some pretty corroded batteries in it, so I'm gonna need to clean this up before I'm able to actually test it. And today I think I'm gonna try a new technique. I recently saw that lemon juice might actually be good to remove this, so I figured might as well give this a try. And if it isn't salvageable, or I end up breaking it, I already have an existing one, so I know what the experience is already. And I'm getting lemon juice all over my pants. Great, let me get a paper towel. Let me do this over the sink, actually. I doubt I'll need 20 milliliters of this, but let's see what we do. All right, gonna need to angle this so everything can be seen. I gotta be careful not to get it on the laser. And I'll just prop it up with this. That way you can kind of see what's happening when I'm working on it. From what I understand, the acid in the lemon juice should react with the battery corrosion. So far, I think it's actually working pretty well. Got a decent amount though hiding behind here, so that might be, ooh, okay, can we get that out? So far, this is looking a lot better. And I definitely poured too much lemon juice. Well, that initial pass worked a lot better than I originally thought. All right, what I'm gonna do now is pour myself some isopropyl alcohol, and I'm gonna try just cleaning the rest of it up. Again, I think I poured way too much iso. You can kind of see it reacting on there a bit. I might have actually only needed one. I think the rest of it might just need to be dried now. Okay, that feels pretty dry. Let's put some batteries in and see if it works. Okay, it's getting power. We're gonna do a basic sound test, so bringing out the dream machine. All right, let's send it. Well, it works. That's good. I want to test this G protection to see how good it is if I shake it around. I mean, it's supposed to be kind of like a sport Walkman, but let's see. It handled it really well. Yeah, normally that would cause like a lot of skipping, but nope, this thing's being a champ. And funny enough, this one actually is working better than my other one, because on my other one, these buttons here for the volume don't work. I have to use the inline remote in order to change the volume on that. This one did come with the inline remote. Wonder if that's any good. Yeah, so everything's working as planned. I should probably come up with a better solution than just playing these off of an alarm clock speaker, but I'll figure out some kind of speaker solution in the future. This thing's totally usable though. Don't want to leave the batteries in there when I'm not using it, because I don't want to have to, have that problem occur again. And I'll just give it one more dusting just to be safe. Ooh, that's cold. Well, some lemon juice, some isopropyl and Q-tips, and a compressed air can might be everything you need in order to solve any of the issues you're having with these battery compartments. At least when it comes to some light corrosion. I'll probably need to try this out on something that's a little bit more damaged, and also thankfully this thing didn't seem to get corroded on the motherboard itself. But for just cleaning up the compartment and around the general contacts for the battery, worked out pretty well. You got other solutions, let me know in the comments. But for now, this guy is gonna go in my Walkman collection. So long, y'all.